Welcome to our channel. For those of you who are new around here, we're Pal Tiya International and we created a sculpting medium called Pal Tiya Premium that looks and feels just like clay but cures stone hard. Check out our other videos to see for yourself what's possible. Today we'll be showing you how to make giant shells with a reusable core with Pal Tiya Premium. Design your own pattern or use a tool like Pepakura linked below. Create a core shell with cardboard, tape and heavy-duty tin foil. Here we're making a seam which has a set of S-curves. This helps immensely with registration. Ensure that these edges are strong. You're going to be sculpting right up to this edge. These shells are done in 3 parts with a waste sheet. What's a waste sheet? I'll let Kim explain.
I'm in the process of putting the waste sheet onto my super fancy shell because I have spent days making this core and I would very much like to reuse it. And so while it's going to take a couple of hours to make this waste shell on here, it will save me days of effort because I don't have to rebuild this thing. See? Ta-da! So I'm tacking it lightly, and you would typically only sculpt this piece because I don't want it all glued down and it won't peel off. So this is gently been laid and tacked in a couple of spaces, and then we're going to Pal Tiya Premium the whole thing and then do the next side because this is going to get heavy.
With a Sharpie, draw a dividing line where the shell should separate. You will know where to apply Pal Tiya Premium and where to stop. Time to get your sculpting medium. See our calculator linked below in the description box to find out how much product you'll need. Begin applying your product. And even it out roughly with a fork. Now you want to create a scratch furrow coat. This means that at any time in the future you can come back and add on your detailed layer. A lot of your strength for this piece will come from the scratch coat. You'll do your detail layer another day. Once you've finished this side, it's time to cure and strengthen this piece overnight. So simply cover in plastic like a garbage bag or a plastic bag, whatever will fit. The next day, the sculpture will be stiffened enough on the other side for you to start the second side. And essentially you're just doing exactly the same thing on all 3 sides and then curing for 5 days under plastic again. On the first day of curing, just use the plastic bag, and then from days 2 to 5, pop some damp towels inside as well. This will make it very strong. This is it being removed from the plastic after curing and ready for its detailed layer. Next time we'll go through how we removed the armature, how we practiced with shell texture, and then the final product. Don't forget to become a Pal Tiya Insider and get access to bonus content offers and more.